Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that we can see another dump on the market. Bitcoin went under 60,000 US dollar. We have seen Bitcoin actually right now it's at 57,000 ish. So what's happening? Definitely, it's worth to talk about some liquidations and so on and so forth. Then we have finally the result for CZ that he got 4 months in jail. This news just came out not long ago. Even now, Bitcoin price is going down. We don't see any Bitcoin miner capitulation, despite of their revenue went down significantly after the halving. Then we have Coinbase integrates Bitcoin's Lightning Network in partnership with Lightspark, so people now can use a cheaper way of Bitcoin transfers using Coinbase. And then we have Roger Ware, who used to be called as Bitcoin Jesus, early Bitcoin investor, but he was now arrested. Why? I tell you as well. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm bringing you the fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, then definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. So first of all, let's see the prices. And yes, well, Bitcoin in the last 24 hours, it's down 7%. Yes, 7%. So another dump, 57,332 US dollar. Ethereum down 5%, 2,883 US dollar. The biggest winner, if we have now one, 7% up, Optimism. Then we have Starknet, 5% off, Cosmos, 5% up, but the losers, Airwave 19% down, Stack 13%, Neo 12%. So many other altcoins are dumping as well. And yeah, so it's more bearish defeating right now what we have. When we're looking at here the Bitcoin candlestick chart, then we can see that we broke out of this trend line now, and this support level 60,000 was broken as well today. And right now we could see that the lowest, it was 56,500 US dollar for Bitcoin so far. What I'm watching right now, the possibility to might go down to 52,000-ish area. It's possible to happen. We're going to see it. So far we have a 22% correction, and this is not such a major thing. Let's move on to the first topic when I'm discussing this a bit more, and let's check previous bull markets, what happened there. Yeah, I actually got already in the topic discussing it when I realized that actually I wanted to make this as the first topic, separated to the signal. So anyway, so we can see now that Bitcoin price is now going down. This is today's move basically. I'm going to show you in a second that some long positions are liquidated for sure right now. But when you zoom out, then first what you have to see is when you go on the monthly one, then on the monthly, we can see that we had here 7 months in the row, which were bullish, green candles, which is, extremely a lot. Here in the 2020 bull market, we had 5 in the row. And after we had this correction here, now we have witnessed 6. And just because of this, simply, I think this was something sooner or later should happen. It cannot go up forever kind of thing. This is not how the market works. This is one thing I would like to highlight. The second thing, this one, for example, if you just check out 2017, this is how the bull market looked like. We had 38, 38, 33, 38, 36, and finally a 29% correction in a single bull market. So now Bitcoin is down 22%. So even if it will go down to 52, it will be nothing like this. And we had like 5 over 30%. So corrections are part of the bull market. Now, when you zoom in, then it looks scary. When you zoom out, you can see, well, we had like 6 months in a row just going up, up, up. Now I think this is pretty much, time for it. But of course, you have some liquidations. On the 30th of April, we had like 152 million US dollar and 170 as well. So that's 320 million US dollar liquidated in long positions. And yeah, today we have 175 million dollar liquidation. So yeah, of course, if you play leverage, you should be aware of this. And yeah, another thing is today we're going to have, the Fed, we have the FOMC meeting and Jerome Powell's, speech. It's coming up Eastern time. It's like 2 p.m. When the results will come out, and the press conference will start at 2:30. So it's worth to watch it because it's interesting what's he going to say. And it's another reason why the market is a week now, because we can see the bad inflation data, that the inflation is not going down. They said they will have 3 rate cuts this year, but it's right now really unlikely. The majority is saying they won't move anything now, so no interest rate increase or decrease. But a lot of question marks how the Fed will react to the present market situation. And this is what people are waiting for. And when things started to sound promising a little bit, then we can go down or up, then it's up, or actually vice versa, then actually down. So we're going to see what's going to happen today. We should just watch this and then we can react. But in long term, bottom line, in my opinion, we are okay because this is very normal part of a bull market, what we're having right now. We don't know the future. We don't know when it will end and so on and so forth. But yes, do corrections happening in the bull market. And this one, what we have right now, it's not the one actually we should be scared of. But every single day, it's very important to stay up to date because things can change. And if something is changing and it's time to move, then you move, make your move. But until that, yeah, so far so good. Right, so this was the first topic I wanted to discuss. Then we have CZ is sentenced to jail for 4 months. So, well, we have now finally the result, and actually CZ has finally the result. The CZ is 4 months sentence to jail. Actually, it's a general deterrence. This is what the lawyer is saying. So basically, many said at the beginning they wanted 3 years, then it will be less than 1 year. It's funny that he's always saying 4 for everything, and then he had like 4 years prison. But I think, this is okay. After that, he's clear, he's fine. The lawyer said here that the judge has sent a message not to CZ individually, but to the entire industry that anti-money laundering compliance must be taken seriously. And, CZ pleaded guilty, accepted responsibility, and had already paid a higher price in resigning as a CEO and accepting a $50 million fine. But, he still has a lot. 4 months going to pass probably pretty fast, and then he can focus on other things again. So it's not great, but it could be actually worse. Okay, so this is one thing. Then we have this price drop in Bitcoin, but we still can see Bitcoin miners still hold on. Okay, so, well, price is going down on the crypto market, but we can see here no signs of Bitcoin miners capitulation despite of this, their revenue went down significantly with the halving, it's a 50% cut straight away. And instead of receiving 6.25 Bitcoin as a block reward, they got like 3.125 right now. But CryptoQuant CEO Ki Young he said that despite of the drop in Bitcoin mining revenues since the halving, Bitcoin miners haven't shown any signs of capitulation. So not even just the price is going down, but always the important thing after the halving, how the miners react. And despite their revenue falling 14 months low following the halving event April, they not escaping the game. Pretty much it's a serious cut, always 50%. But you shouldn't forget that they also get the transaction fees. And actually, after the halving of starting Rune's protocol, they made tons of money with that. So, but that died very quickly. So, what they can do now? They can do capitulation, or they waiting for Bitcoin price to rise, right? So here you can see, I guess this is the pool multiple. Yeah, pull multiple chart, yeah. And there you can see the drop. So yeah, it looks like they still hold on and they still doing their job. Okay, and the next topic, it's all about Coinbase integrating Lightning Network. So actually they started yesterday on the 30th of April, saying that Coinbase is rolling out support for Lightning Network, enabling instant low-cost Bitcoin transfers. Users will have the option to choose between using Lightning for faster and cheaper Bitcoin transactions or processing their transactions on their traditional Bitcoin network. But the possibility is there. And actually, this is like a bonus because there is a possibility, as I just said, to have it faster and cheaper. Right, and now finally another thing, another man who is kind of well known in crypto, Roger Ver, used to be called as Bitcoin Jesus kind of thing. Was arrested. Why? I'll tell you in a second. So we have here him, Roger Ver, and the man, sometimes called Bitcoin Jesus, did not pay capital tax gains on hundreds of millions of dollars raised in selling Bitcoin in 2017. And yeah, DOJ is coming after him. The release said Ver was arrested over the weekend in Spain, and his extradition back to the US will be sought. So, in Spain, he was arrested. He will be transported back to the United States. And it came again out of the blue because simply, he made a lot of money with Bitcoin. He was, well known as a Bitcoin Cash advocate. And also it's an early Bitcoin investor. Made a lot of money, but it looks like forgot to pay his capital gain tax, and this is the reason why they're coming after him. Well, we're going to see what's going to happen with this. Right, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, very simple. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.